Kashmiri Sooji ka halwa. Let's start the recipe. So I'll be teaching you the technique of getting a good color out of the saffron. For that, we'll take good quantity of saffron. We will add around 3 spoons of milk and 2 spoons of water and leave it aside for at least half an hour. 1 bowl of desi ghee. Now we'll add semolina. Lower the flame. We need to cook this halwa on the low flame. Stir it continuously. Add some dry fruits, chopped almonds, some cashew nuts. Add 3 to 4 cardamoms. Add dry coconut to it. Now we will add 1 cup of sugar. Let it cook 2 minutes on low flame. I'll be adding little milk, around 1/4 cup. This is a hidden tip to make your halwa more tasty. Lower the flame and let it melt. Let it cook. Keep stirring it continuously. We'll be adding 4 cups of water, 1 cup at a time. Keep stirring, keep stirring. Keep stirring it, don't stop. Now you can work on medium flame. Add water. Keep stirring it. And now cook it on medium flame. The 4th cup. Now keep stirring it. Let it cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes. It's time to add the saffron to give it a Kashmiri effect. Saffron gives amazing flavor. One of my favorite ingredient. Very good for your skin. If you daily have it with milk, your skin starts glowing from in. So other than using artificial products, we should believe in natural. See how beautifully the color and the texture has come. Now as you see, the halwa has started leaving itself from the kadai. This shows that our halwa is perfectly done and made. So now let's do the plating. See the perfect texture. Let's do the plating in a raw style. See the color of the saffron. It has come out so well. It's giving an amazing flavor. Some coconut on top. Saffron water. And some saffron strands. Kashmiri saffron halwa is ready to serve. Our Kashmiri saffron halwa is ready to serve. If you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe. And for any query, DM me at my Instagram handle Priyanka_Bhatia. Do try the dish. It's really yummy. Enjoy.